Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on percentages as fractions. We saw in the last couple of videos that the word percent is linked to the number 100. We saw that it meant per hundred or out of 100. So it becomes easy to change a percentage to a fraction. To change a percentage to a fraction, put the percentage over 100 and simplify. Let's look at some examples. Change the following percentages to fractions. Number 1. Change 60% to a fraction. So 60% is 60 over 100, because that's what percent means. If you divide numerator and denominator by 20, that gives you 3 over 5. Change 45% to a fraction. 45% is 45 over 100. If you divide numerator and denominator by 5, that gives you 9 over 20. Change 50% to a fraction. 50% equals 50 over 100. If you divide numerator and denominator by 50, that gives you 1 over 2 or a half. Change 75% to a fraction. 75% equals 75 over 100. Divide numerator and denominator by 25. That gives you 3 over 4. Change 7.9% to a fraction. 7.9% is 7.9 over 100. Multiply numerator and denominator by 10. That gives you 79 over 1000. Change 12.5% to a fraction. 12.5% is 12.5 over 100. Multiply numerator and denominator by 10. That gives you 125 over 1000. Divide numerator and denominator by 125, and that gives you 1 over 8. And the last one, change 31.5% to a fraction. So 31.5% is 31.5 over 100. Multiply numerator and denominator by 10. That gives you 315 over 1000. And then divide numerator and denominator by 5. And that gives you 63 over 200. So this video has given us some examples, and we've seen how to change a percentage to a fraction. As long as we remember that the word percent means out of 100 or over 100, we can't go wrong. And remember, when you arrive at a fraction, have a look and check carefully if you can simplify it. And if we can simplify it, please do so.